House and lot for sale, Alderial. This is 87 square meter lot, corner lot. So ito lang yung main gate nya. Yan, dito sa Ciudad de Calamba. Pasukin na natin guys. So yung lote nya hanggang doon, hanggang dito. So ito yung sala, kitchen, mga bintana okay pa naman. Yan, bago tong pintuan niya sa likod. Pwede ka pang maglagay ng dirty kitchen. Yan. Ito yung toilet and bath. This is Buhos Tibay by Philinvest Land Incorporated. Ito yung hagdan niya. So this is a 2-bedroom unit ng house and lot. And this is the Nessa model house. Once again, 2-bedroom unit. The Nessa model house, 87 square meter lot area, corner lot. Yan, so pagdating mo dito, may view ka pa ng Mount Makiling.